Easter is in the next month and rabbit is one of the symbols. I thought of adding a watercolor rabbit in my YouTube video library. I have already sketched it and I applied a clear water base layer so that I can spread a very diluted yellow as a base color layer. Once it is dry, I apply burnt sienna in patches to show the distribution of fur color on the rabbit's face. Now I start painting the eye area. And here again I applied a clear water just to introduce a very faint Payne's grey to define the eye. Next, I apply burnt sienna to the entire iris, leaving the shiny white patch of the light seen on the eye. While it is still wet, I start applying burnt umber in the inner area to avoid any harsh edges. The eye is further defined by adding a layer of Payne's grey, which helps in adding depth to the eye and giving it a very realistic look. There are tiny folds in the inner part of the ear. They are not very prominent, and to define them, I added a hint of indigo on the wet paper and then burnt sienna on top of it. Now back to painting the face. I have again applied clear water and now dabbing burnt sienna and burnt umber to define the fur patches. To show the direction of the fur, I pull my brush away from wet area to semi-dry area. But since the paper is not completely dry, it gives fuzzy edges to the fur. In this way, I did not paint the tiny details of the fur and avoid the painting look very busy. For the body, I am using a Filbert Brush by Booster. The rabbit has a scattered fur, creating beautiful color variations on its body. And I am trying to paint the same using this brush. The sequence is same, very faint yellow, followed by burnt sienna and burnt umber. I also introduced indigo on the stomach area, which I further pull down to create beautiful watercolor textures on the paper and some lost edges too. I leave you here to enjoy the rest of the process. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and get updates as I upload new videos every week.